All right, we have been filling the pond with water. Let's see what is the situation. That's my rainwater barrel. It takes the whole barrel to fill it up. I had a half a barrel. It's 1100 gallon cistern. I had maybe 500 gallons in there. in there. Sorry, and it's almost empty. You see, that is a marker. So it was this much, about 500 gallons here, and it's almost finished. So let's go and look at the pond. Hello, puppy. How's it going? Oh, so cute. Oh, she's taking a suntan. She's getting her suntan. She loves the sun. Today's not that hot day, so she loves she and the kitty cat. Hey, kitty. They both like the sun. You lay in the sun, sunbathing. All right. Let's look what is the situation for Koya Pond. Well, doing great. You see, it's about half full. So I need to get more water and pump it in. That's how it's filling. So it's doing great.